Let's divide 350 by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome math fun with Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 350 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit of 350, which is 3. We're going to use this digit first. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. That's right. Now we subtract 2 from 3. What do we get? A remainder of 1. You're doing awesome. We've got this. We have a remainder of 1. Now, let's bring down the next digit, which is 5, to make 15. Great job with the first step. Now we have 15. Let's keep going. We bring down the next digit, 5, to join the remainder 1, making it 15. We're using 2 digits now. How many times does 2 fit into 15? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 7 times. Let's check. 7 times 2 equals 14. So close. Subtract 14 from 15. What's left? A remainder of 1. Woohoo, you're a math superstar. We have a remainder of 1 again. Time to bring down the last digit, 0, to make 10. Last step, you've got this. We now have 10. We bring down the 0 to join the remainder 1, making it 10. We're using 2 digits again. How many times does 2 fit into 10? You know this one. It's 5 times. Check it. 5 times 2 equals 10. Perfect. Subtract 10 from 10. What's the remainder? 0. We're all done. Amazing. You crushed it. 0 remainder means it divides perfectly. And that's it. We've divided 350 by 2. The answer is 175. So, 350 divided by 2 is 175 with no remainder. Great job, everyone! We just learned how to divide a 3-digit number using long division. Remember, break it down step by step, and you'll master it like a math whiz. That's all for today. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.